are in a valley that is oriented from north to south. In the east side and west side you have mountains, and the average height of these mountains from the south to the north is about 1,800 meters.
Excuse me, but so without being rude, but he has already explained, so we can spare some time. It has to do with methoxyperazines and shading of the fruit.
Yes. Okay, I want to arrive there.
Okay.
Because it's not better. It's not just to speak about the methoxyperazine. I can stay here for another 4 hours. So I'm a technician, so I want to explain to you perfectly how is the situation in Trentino. This is the valley, the Adige River Valley. So here you have the mountains. In Trentino, the sun, today, the sun rises at 6:14 a.m. and set at 7:26 p.m. But the problem is that the grape start to take the sun at 9 and finish to take the sun at 3-4 o'clock in the afternoon. So it means that we have the 30% of sunlight less than the same place in Italy, but in the flat. So what people thought in the past, they decided to use the pergola trellis system as today we use a photovoltaic solar panel. So in fact, okay, we have the shadow, but we have healthy grapes and we have a lot of leaves. So we have a lot of square meters for kilo of grapes. The methoxyperazines are directly proportional of the grade of the ratio of maturity. So if the Teroldigo is not ripe or if the Cabernet is not ripe, the methoxyperazines are inside and they are a lot. But if you keep the wine in that, if you keep the grape, if you keep the bunches in that condition with with the sunlight, with also the possibility, the availability of sun and leaves that produce sugar, so the methoxyperazines decrease. Obviously, that if we produce Merlot and Cabernet with the pergola, as we do in the south area, obviously we have problems with methoxyperazines if we don't harvest the grapes extremely ripe. And this is a problem in cold seasons, not for example this season or the past season. Yeah. And the Teroldigo is has very low methoxyperazines. Teroldigo has another problem, it's very sensitive to sulfur. The aromas of Teroldigo is very sensitive to sulfur, and that's the reason why we stop to spray sulfur at the 15th of July, plus minus 10 days in order of the season. So we stop, because if you use sulfur up to the harvest period, you obtain a juice, you